If you want to search for a song on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then we actually have two ways to do so. The first method is to use circle to search. So in order to activate it, you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar over here at the bottom, or you need to press and hold your finger on the home button if you use three buttons for navigation. And in addition to that, once we activated the overlay of the Google's Circle to Search, you should be able to find the song recognition feature over here at the bottom. So you can tap on this node over here, and now we can play, sing, or hum a song, or just keep our phone close in a area where we can hear the song that is being played quite clearly, and then you should be able to get Google search results with the song title. There is also another feature that is built in the phone. We can open settings, and in here we can choose sound and vibration, and if you scroll down we have now playing, which is accessible in the lock screen. You can also add the history of now playing over here. You can also use the enhanced now playing, and then whenever there is a song detected, you should be able to find the song title on the lock screen. Right now it is not visible because there is no song played in the background, but usually you can see a song title over here below the fingerprint sensor or somewhere over here in this area. And that's pretty much it. Going back to the circle to search, we can also add a feature, a button actually, to quick settings. So if we tap on this pen icon, we should be able to eventually find it over here. Let me actually try to find it. It should be somewhere over here. There we go. Here we have the song search in the From System Apps section. So if I add it over here to quick settings, I should be able to use this button instead of pressing and holding my finger on the navigation bar or the home button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.